Very soon, by the end of this year, ShareASale will be no more, and the platform that is going to replace ShareASale is Awin. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create an account on this Awin platform. But before you go to this platform, you must watch this video to the end, because it's either you pay or you get a code that you're going to insert in order to sign up for this account. It's not basically for free. It's very difficult to sign up for this platform, so you just have to watch this video from start to finish. I'm going to walk you through the step by step of creating this account completely free. You don't have to worry about that. Just sit down, relax, and then enjoy the video. Okay, so on your platform like this, I will leave the link to this in the description box. But when you click on that, it's going to land you in a dashboard like what you're going to see right now. So on the top section right now, all you need is to click on this section where it says get started. Okay, so right after hitting on get started, let me show my face over here by opening my webcam. Right, let me open it in order for us to. Okay, now I feel like we are having a conversation, so let's get started. Now, after getting on this platform over here, what you need to do is to come to this section where it says I'm a publisher and hit on that. So if you're an advertiser, you hit on that, but we are here to make money, so we're not going to go further to all these places. You are going to click on this and hit on that. So right after hitting on that, this is how the sign up page looks like. Do not click on this influencer section because it's not going to load that dashboard for you. So you need is to come to this section where it says join Awin today and start earning money with affiliate marketing. So join, hit on join, and it's going to bring you to this dashboard over here. So you type in your company name. Your company name can be your nickname or any other name that you have, like if you are opening a company, the name that you're going to use for that. So we hit on that and then type in all the necessary details: your first name, your last name, and the Gmail or email address, and then password over here. Already type your password over here. I already have an account. That's the reason why you are seeing all these things over here. So okay, I already have an account with Awin, so this is that's the reason why you're seeing all these things. So I hit on next, right? So on the next section where it says promotional region or primary region, this is very important. Where are your traffic coming from? So you have to select that country, but you remember you must be very specific. If not, they are going to give you all the um brands available in that country. So you have to select, be very specific. So you can type in United States or any other country that comes into your mind or you love. So now you come to this section. This is very important. You have to select some of this content type or the ways of promotional. So you have to select all these things, some of these that you like as an if you want to promote them, what you are going to use. So I love content creation, and then you can set that as primary type, but you can leave it like that. So you can select cashback over here. Okay, so select cashback and then go to this section where it says editorial content, lead generation. You must select lead generation because we are here as a CPA marketer. So and then media content, so you can select all these things, and it's not against their rules. So you can check all these boxes and it's not against their rules, so you just have to be very specific. And now when you come to this section where it says add network, you have to the display type, you have to select some of these like direct traffic. All right, and then if you type in the media brokers, that means you're going like you are using crypto trading and all those stuff. So you can go with that, or social traffic, right? You can target them by display and mobile traffic. Then go add network brokers or any other thing that comes into your mind, or your promotional method. You can leave it or you can select that. Right after doing that, you have to come to the section where it says email. Just select email, lead generation email, right? And then right after doing that, you come to the section where it says search. Now search, I love doing direct linking, and then linking and landing pages, social search, and then mobile search. So right after doing that, you just have to go to the section where it says Okay, so now go to the content section and then select content creation as your primary promotional type. So now you're done with everything, so you're going to hit on next. Right after hitting on next, this is where people will begin to fail because they don't have website. So if you don't have website, you can go to Google and search for any website, but I already have a website, so I'm going to copy my website URL over here. Like, okay, so this is a blogger website, but I'm not going to like, I'm just going to copy that right over here and then paste it over here. So what your website is about, you must be very specific and then type in that. If you don't have any idea about that, you can go to your ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to help you write that. So like, what is your website about? So description, your website description. Okay, so go to ChatGPT. Like, let me go to ChatGPT and hit on that. So whilst guys is loading, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notified for any updates on this platform or on our website. So this is it. So this is how ChatGPT now. Okay, let me log into my account. Okay, so nowadays ChatGPT is becoming some way, so you have to wait for some time before it's going to work perfectly for you. So right after doing that, go to the section with this promotional description. Right after hitting on that, I already have one being written over here, so it's going to load that for me. But whilst we are waiting for that, let me go. Okay, so let's wait for it to load that promotional description for us. So let me refresh it back again and then check whether it's going to bring that details that we want. So okay, still we are waiting for it to come. Remember, you must check for the number of words being accepted over here. So it says 255 characters. So now you cannot copy everything right over here to paste on the platform. So you have to be very specific right over here. So let me copy this and then we are going to change some of the things being written over here. So it says global healthy wealth. So I'm going to change that and then type in the website name over here, like hustle blueprint, like h. Okay, so now right after doing that, you see it says this field limits limited to 255 words. So we have to remove some of the characters right over here to become very specific. Like, you have to minimize the number of characters. So right after doing that, you come to the section where it says finance. You have to select the categories that you can promote as a content creator. So credit cards, loans, insurance, mortgage, personal banking, saving and properties, and all those stuff. So you have to select everything based on your website traffic that comes on your website. So right after doing that, you have to select all some of these things based on your website. Right, you have to select some of these things right over here based on how your website works. So audio, visual, automotive, like books, subscription, clothing accessories, computers. So you just have to select a lot of things that you can promote with your traffic that you are getting on your website, or any promotional method that you have. Select based on that. If not, you are going to be stuck on the platform. And remember, it's either you pay for the subscription or you use a promo code. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box so that you click on that and we are going to land on this platform to create an account over here. So let me check some of these things. And after doing that, you come to this as related communication. So select web hosting and all other stuff. So if you don't select the category that you want, they are not going to display them for you and you cannot even join them. For example, I decided to my first account, I did not choose web hosting, and one thing I recognized was that after trying to promote all these web hosting platforms, I was not given the chance to promote them. So you have to be very specific with all these things, and I do encourage you select everything over here, because these are the things that are going to show advertisers that if you don't choose them, they are not going to allow you to choose them in the nearby future, and it's going to be very difficult for you to get some of these items to promote. Yes, if you think one of these categories helps you most, or you can drive more traffic to them, you just have to select a lot of things on this platform. So right, I've checked a lot of them, and then I'm going to go ahead to these sessions, check most of them over here. Okay, so let's go dating, digital TV, and all those stuff. So I'm going to check most of these platforms. Okay, so that is going to help us to promote some of these offers without any hassle. So travel, I have to check everything, because if your platform or website is about travel niche, you can check everything over here. And then now you go to the next step. After typing on in all these things, you have to go to the next step. So you can go to, you have to check where it says country. So change the country to your local country, like your country where you reside, right? And then type in all these details over here. It doesn't matter, they are not going to even take it very serious. So country, type in Ghana, and then postal code, Ghana's postal code. You can go to Google and search for your country's postal code, so it's not all that very hard. So 233, so plus 00233 00233 as Ghana postal code. So this is the number, my phone number over here, sir. But you have to switch to this your country code, and I love to search for GH over here. So select, I'll search for your country, and then after doing that, you just have to type in your phone number. Okay, I think I'm C column, E column, F column, G column. So now this is Ghana over here, so I've selected Ghana, and this is where most people get stuck. So you can see where it says invitation code. It's either you go by invitation code or you go with one-time payment. So what are you expecting to go for? If you don't have the invitation code, that's the reason why I do recommend you click on my link in the description box in order to join this platform with that invitation code. If not, you'll not be able to join this platform. So trust me, it's going to be very difficult for you. Okay, so you see that you go with one-time payment. So let me go with a one-time payment with the invitation code. If you click on my link, it's going to be very easy for you. So after doing that, you just have to go to the section where it says take this box to confirm that you have read and agree to our privacy policy and a user agreement and Awin's terms and conditions. Right after doing that, I go to the section where it says join our network, and what you are going to see in our next page is you are going to pay for $1 for that. So you can see $1 right over here. You have to pay with your Visa card. So I'm going to go ahead to pay for that. But right after typing your Visa card details, I'm going to blur all these details over here. Right, I'm going to blur all details over here, so it's not going to show for you guys, so that most people are going to use my Visa card to pay for their Awin's account. So I'm going to block all these things. After doing that, what you need to do is to click on this section where it says make payment, and right after hitting on that, they are going to deduct $1 from your account. So $1 into cedis, I think it will be 1 cedi 90 10 cedis 90 pesos. 1 cedi $1 into naira. So let me search for naira. Nigeria, so I'm going to select N. Okay, Nigeria naira is to be 1,533.96 naira. So 1,533.96 naira. So that's it. You have to pay for this before you can get access to Awin platform. This is how basically we sign up for Awin platform. If you have any question, you can leave that in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and then don't forget to comment down all your questions. I'll be there to help you out. See you in my next video. Stay safe, and then peace out. Okay, so very soon ShareASale will no longer be going to it's no longer going to work again. So you can see when ShareASale is owned by Awin. So if you click on that to see more about the announcement, a new era partner and all those stuff. So ShareASale will be closed down. You can see ShareASale platform will officially close down on or close on October 6, 2025. And make sure if you have money, they are going to send you your money before they will close down this platform. This is the reason why you have to take a very good advantage of joining the Awin platform, because all the brands has moved straight to Awin. Yes, so you don't have to worry about your funds in ShareASale. And those of you who are struggling to join ShareASale, you just have to make sure you can join Awin, because all these platform brands that you want to join are now available on Awin. And whenever the brand comes first, you can be the first person to also get money from them. So you just have to join them and then begin to make money online.